Printable heat transfers are a fantastic option for customizing the front or the back of your t-shirt. But their versatility really allows you to think outside of the box with where on the garment you want to place your graphics. To help give you some ideas, I'm going to be showing off a few different placement options for applying printable heat transfers. Sleeve hits are criminally underrated and underused. Sleeves and cuffs have the potential to be high stress points thanks to our naturally constant arm movement. So for heat transfers, we recommend using thin and flexible materials like Nina Jet Pro Soft Stretch, Caesar Easy Color DTV, and rasterized Forever Flex Soft and Laser Dark. These are all gonna be a great way to go. Now, a near full-length print running the length of a long sleeve actually looks pretty darn incredible. And you can really elevate a basic short sleeve t-shirt with the logo or emblem placed on the bicep or just above the cuff. Next, we have inside labels, which are usually placed at the neck. While these customizations might not be seen by the public, inside labels add value to your product and really increases your brand recognition. Many blank tees from popular brands like Gildan, Bala Canvas, and others are gonna have removable neck tags to make way for a custom neck label that you could print and apply. Ideally, you'll be using a thin, soft material like Nina Jet Pro Soft Stretch or Forever Flex Soft. While the FTC and your state even might have requirements for what's actually printed on the label, what's to stop you from adding a personal touch? Add your brand logo and styling to the label. You can even go further by adding names on the inside of a hem, of a jersey, or uniform. For parents with young kids in daycare or primary school, the inside hem is a great spot for putting your child's name on a garment. And then we have items that are not t-shirts. Why not completely go outside of the box by customizing other fabric items? So as long as your printable transfer can adhere onto the fabric, there are so many options to choose from. You can customize a cotton tote bag, for example, with trendy graphics that are printed on Caesar Easy Color. You can even use Forever Laser Dark to place your full color logo or artwork on shorts, sweatpants, and more. Printable heat transfers are an easy way to expand your product line beyond t-shirts. Having the option to use full color artwork makes it all the more exciting. So whether you have your own brand or you're running a custom print shop, this is really something that you should be looking into. And when you're ready to take it to the next level, our white toner DTF printers are ready to take your customization beyond fabrics. We have printable heat transfers for hard surface materials like the Magic Touch CPM and Forever Multi-Trans Pro. With these materials, you could print and apply full color designs on any smooth hard surface that could be heat pressed. Thanks to the white toner, there are no color limitations. This allows you to customize items like dark colored coffee mugs, wood panels, insulated water bottles, glass awards plaques, and more. With these options now available to you, you can further expand your product offering for your brand or clients, making your services all the more valuable. We'd love to hear how you use or are planning to use printable heat transfers for your business, so please let us know in the comments. For more information on printable heat transfers and to purchase some for yourself, check out the links in the description. And of course, you can always shop at heatpressnation.com.